take your details, and now I'm going to place them on the page. But because the page is stiff and the felt is stiff, I cannot pin them on the page, so I have several methods how to secure the details on the page. So you may use masking tape or double-sided tape. Here I have 15 and 8 millimeters wide. You may use glue, crafty glue or textile glue, but if you want to use the glue, you need to wait until it gets dry. Or you may use paper clips. Those I found in a stationery store. These are 5 centimeters or 2 inches long. Also, I found in stationery shop as well. These are bookmark clips. This one is 10 centimeters or 4 inches long, and this one is 8 centimeters long. Unfortunately, I couldn't remove these flowers, so just left as is. I will show you some of the pages so you will have an idea how to secure the details onto the page. Just be careful, just don't place the tape close to the edge, because we are going to stitch it, so the glue will not stick to the needle. Now I'm going to stitch it really close to the edge, maybe 1 millimeter from the edge all the way around. Now I'm going to stitch with straight stitch. The needle that I'm going to use is number 14 or 90. Set the needle to the left. The length of the stitch is 3. And using those 2 pages as an example, I will show you what you should do next. So first I'm going to hide all these threads. I'm using self-threading needle. Just pull it on the wrong side. And I'm going to tie a knot to secure the threads.